Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching a breathtaking zonal final from Kolkata. The Eastern Zonals is known to produce good teams, but would one have expected a comeback like this? Here's a look at where the teams stand on our scorecard. Time for the slog overs. Here it comes. On the final frontier, here's the first one with its value, a 60. Which company, started by him in Troy, Michigan in 1980, was with an initial investment of $2,000 from his wife, Neerja Sethi. They're giving it a shot, IIFT Bhubaneswar. They know they have to take their chances. 60 to you, go on.
Guessing it's Narendra Patni and Patni Computers.
Minus 60. Well, that was a really aggressive shot. Someone else is going for it, and this time it is IIM from Raipur.
Is it Sun Microsystem, Vinod Khosla?
And a minus 50 because he did not choose anything in the lines of a power play. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the company I was looking for was Sintel by Bharti Desai. The next one is a 75. It's the oldest publishing house in the world, still in business. It came into existence through Henry VIII's letters patent of 1534. Important moment at a 75-pointer IIFT on the buzzer.
Oxford.
Is minus 75. Just what they did not want. Jamshedpur might just deploy a power play here. What's your choice?
Free hit.
NIT?
Hodder and Stoughton.
Minus 60. CUP, the answer that I was looking for, or Cambridge University Press. Here's the next one for a 50. Let's see what they do. Introduced in 1982 on the 26th of January. Jaipur, Jodhpur, Alwar, Kota, all these are components of what offering? It's a 50 if you get it right.
Palace on wheel compartments.
Plus 50. Well, it's all part of the Palace on Wheels. 75 on the next one. 1967, November. This is part of the first issue of a world-famous magazine thereafter, which featured John Lennon. IIT are giving it a shot for a 75.
We are going for Rolling Stones.
75. Whoa! Oh, 75 again. 2 questions to go. Important moment for NIT Patna. They've given it a shot. Overall answer 75.
Suzlon.
Suzlon, minus 75. Flower, a flag. Is it a free hit or a power play?
It's a free hit.
Free hit, 60 if you get it right.
The guy looks like Thomas Delarue, so I'm just guessing.
What's your answer?
Delarue.
Minus 60. Not their day here today. They get another minus 60 on that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, at a city like Kolkata, I would have certainly expected this one to get cracked. The answer, the institution that many revere today, Smithsonian. On the final question, at a 75, identify this government creation. No loss, no gain. Githam University are giving it a shot.
It is an organization related to Khadi.
Minus 75. All right, IIFT, life and death on the buzzer for them. On the buzzer, hang on. Power play or free hit?
Free hit, it doesn't matter.
Free hit, it doesn't matter. Okay?
So the answer is Khadi Gramodyog.
The answer is Khadi Gramodyog. IIFT in the national final! We'll take a final look at where the teams stand. At a remarkable final that you have witnessed here today at the Eastern Zonals, it's our pleasure and privilege to welcome on stage our guest of honor, Mr. Abraham Stefanos. If you can join us on stage, sir.
I hope they'll all join some Tata company because you don't get talent like this anywhere else. It just makes me wish I was 20 years younger and participating myself.
Ladies and gentlemen, they'll walk up here today as runner-up at the end of the day, IIFT from Kolkata. It doesn't matter what position they come in, they go into the national final. Put your hands together for them. Into the national final, Guwahati University, for the first time in the national final of Tata Crucible. Well done. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that truly was a remarkable zonal final here today. It sets the stage for what you're going to see over the next couple of weeks here today with us. Remarkable teams, outstanding performance. A week from now, it could well be a replica of what you saw here. The South Zone final is going to be no different from the East. Till then, from me, Pick Brain, from all of us here today at CNBC TV 18, you were watching Tata Crucible. Good evening and goodbye.
A knowledge initiative by Tata. Leadership with trust.